Tonight, the Department of Justice investigating several alleged Medicaid and Medicare fraud schemes spanning several years and totaling $65 million in fraudulent billings.
What we're interested in doing is recouping that money that's a part of the waste, fraud, and abuse that goes on in this country where healthcare is already so expensive.
Daniel Bubar is acting United States Attorney for the Eastern District of North Carolina, calling this national effort the largest announcement of a healthcare fraud enforcement action on any given day in the department's history. One case centers around LifeTouch, a company formed in 2009 providing substance abuse services to Medicaid recipients at 2 locations in Goldsboro and Kinston. Court documents say Kimberly Sims, Francine Sims Super, Brandon Sims, and Kiki Johnson are all charged with allegedly incentivizing Medicaid recipients to attend LifeTouch for treatment services in exchange for gift cards. At this time, Kimberly Sims is the only one who's pled guilty. Under the scheme, patients were told if they attended outpatient substance abuse meetings 5 times a week, they would get a $60 gift card, 4 times a week, $50 gift card, and 3 times a week, $45 gift card. Federal prosecutors say by incentivizing Medicaid recipients to attend LifeTouch, they were able to attract, retain, and bill Medicaid for years of substance abuse services. Court records showing over the life of the scheme, LifeTouch allegedly received as much as $25 million in North Carolina Medicaid proceeds.
LifeTouch was supposed to be providing substance abuse care for a segment of the population that really needs it, folks who are struggling from alcohol addiction or drug abuse addiction.
Bubar says an audit launched this investigation, and so far his office has seized $6 million in assets from LifeTouch. Another case that's part of this federal effort identifies 56-year-old Randall Wood of Flagler, Florida, in connection with the durable medical equipment case targeting elderly people. Federal prosecutors allege in court records that Wood used his Winston-Salem-based company to ship and deliver medically unnecessary equipment for Medicare recipients, in turn submitting false claims to Medicare for reimbursements.
And these are allegations in Mr. Wood's case, but there's a total of $39 million in fraudulent Medicare reimbursements that were a part of his case, as alleged.
Additionally, Bubar's office says several healthcare and medical health providers have been convicted after an investigation into their billing and documentation practices.
They were carrying out treatment for people who simply didn't need it. They were actually preying on an immigrant population from places like Syria and Afghanistan.
Bubar says this criminal investigation and its results reinforce a commitment to stamping out waste, fraud, and abuse in the healthcare system, telling me the goal is to hold people accountable and recoup as much money as possible.
We want to recoup the monies. We want to seize assets. We want to seize land.
Eyewitness News reached out to attorneys for all people charged in this effort. All those who responded back declined comment. In Raleigh, Akilah Davis, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.